Here's how to activate Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone Air even without using the Apple Intelligence. To set up Siri Voice Assistant, just open Settings, scroll down for Apple Intelligence and Siri. As I've said, you can turn on Apple AI or not, totally your call. We're going to do it without that. So just go and tap on Talk to Siri and then select Hey Siri or Hey Siri, whatever is comfortable to you. From this pop-up, just hit Enable Siri and then just press Continue. Just follow the on-screen prompts to voice your match like, Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. When this part is done, just press on the Done button to complete the setup. Additionally, you can go back, go to Voice, and you can change Siri's voice, tone, and accent according to your preference. You can also go ahead and check out Siri responses and select the one that you prefer. And also you can select whether you want to see Siri responses as text on your screen along with the request. And then you are done. You can start using Siri as your voice assistant on your iPhone Air right away. Hey Siri, play some music. Thanks for watching.